Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Infinix Hot 11 to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both of them, clicking on the search bars and type in and send anywhere. Then install this app from this developer and click on Open. From this screen here you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on the other one. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow, then select send on Infinix and receive on an Android. After that you need to click on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you can select all of your files and transfer them. It will take a long time though to transfer all of them, so I will go with only one, choose send and tap on got it. From here we have two connection ways. If you want to, you can scan the QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time, and focusing your device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and tap on receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!